Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your font in Figma. In order to do that, first of all you have to open your Figma application in your Windows or iOS, and after that you have to open your account. As you can see here, if I click on the text I will get typography, but there are lots of options, but sometimes I need some. For example, I need monster, so that I don't have a monster font. So what I will do, I will just go into browser and search for monster font and click on that and download that font into your system. So what I will do, I just simply click on the download font and I will download it in my system. So I have successfully downloaded the font and extract that font using your extension, and then double click on the font. Now if you are a MacBook user, just you will get some different kind of interface, but right now I will just simply click on the install button. So as you can see here, after the installation you have to just simply save it and click the exit from Figma. Just close the Figma, and again I will open the Figma, and as you can see here the Figma is restarted. Now just give me a second, load it. Now search for monster. So there we go. So I think this is not a monster. Go on to install by you, and as you can see here, search for monster. What was the name of that font? Groovy Visage. Okay, I'll just copy the font name and paste it over here. So I think there is an issue. So here we go. We have successfully added our own font into Figma. So this is how you can add your font. If this tutorial helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.